How to save Google Photos to gallery or download Google Photos to your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can save Google Photos to your gallery, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for this, of course, you need the Google Photos application. Now, you might have backed up some kind of photos or videos to your Google account previously, which is your photos.google.com or Google Photos Drive, and you want to download that photos to your phone again so that you want to access it even when you're offline or don't have access to the internet. So in order to do that, first of all, just go ahead and launch the Google Photos app. But the only problem with Google Photos I actually have is that I will not be able to distinguish which are the photos that already exist on my phone. So as you can see, I'll not be able to distinguish versus the photos that are already on my phone versus the photos that are only backed up on Google. So you can see there isn't any type of marker or anything that says this hasn't backed up or whatever else, because as you could clearly see that I have turned off backup, and then that these are not the photos that are showing on only my Google Photos, but it's also getting mixed up with the ones on my gallery. In order to not get mixed up, I have a solution for you. That is to not use the Google Photos app at all. Instead, you want to simply use the browser version of Google Photos. That is to open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, you simply want to go to photos.google.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Go to photos.google.com. When you log in from your browser, your Google Photos website is only going to show you the photos that are backed up on your Google Photos app or the drive, and it is not going to get mixed up with the ones in your gallery because this is a browser and not a native application. So here you can see all of these photos. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, and if I want to download it, tap on the three dots and then just tap on the download option over here. Now this is to just make things clear for you, because if you went ahead and then download it from the app, you'll not be able to distinguish which one is the one on your phone versus which one is the one on your Google Photo. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.